Want our insights on blogging software to help improve your search engine ranking, how to host your very own webinar, and all the things in customer service? Of course you do. Let's get into it. We'll start. Let's do it. Yeah. Hey guys, it's Trav here from Neighbourhood, where we help brands find, sell, and keep their people. We're back with another update to let you know what's been going on for the past month here at Neighbourhood and how we've changed the way we market, sell, and service to our customers. This month, we've been busy deep diving into analysing and updating our buyer personas. With technology changing at light speed, how your business operates can change just as quickly, and your customers are changing right alongside all of this technology development. In this ever-changing world and marketing environment, it's essential that you are staying up to date, and a buyer persona retrospective analysis is the perfect place to start to ensure your strategies align with your buyers. We've now finished our retrospective meetings where we reflected on our current buyer personas and how we can better give them value. As a part of our new buyer personas, we're now featuring tips and tricks from our sales team on how best to interact and work with them. Including this information in our personas allows our marketing, sales, and customer service departments to target customers more accurately and demonstrate that they understand their customers' needs at every stage of the buyer's journey. Ultimately, with better alignment comes greater efficiencies and improved results. Next up, we'd like to introduce you to some new software that we're pretty excited about, and we think that you would be too. The first one is called Frase. It's an artificial intelligence software platform that makes SEO optimization and content creation a whole lot easier. We bang on quite a bit about how important blogging is, and even more so how important long-form content is. But we also know just how hard it can be to set time aside to write and optimize a 2,000-word blog. Frase is software that can prove invaluable to the blogging process due to the time, effort, and money it will save you. Whilst it's recognized that AI can't write articles, this software helps you research, create, and optimize content to help you rank in search engines. It does so by showing you what to tweak or take action on to improve the content and SEO. So the hard work is almost done for you. So another piece of software that we wanted to introduce you to, and if you haven't heard already, it's called DemandSage. Formed to give actionable enterprise-level intelligence, this software works by taking data from HubSpot and connecting it to Google Sheets, and then turning it into insights. This software was developed to help businesses discover what exactly they should be doing to bring in more customers and delight the ones that they have, without costing an arm and a leg. Customer insights developed from your real-time data can help improve your selling strategy enormously. Not only does it identify the parts that could be missing from your strategy, but also what could be improved on to ultimately make the selling process as smooth as possible. It's hard to say no to software that makes your life easier, especially when it comes to collecting and interpreting the data. So have you been toying with the idea of hosting your very own webinar to take your content marketing to the next level? Well, we're no strangers to webinars here at Neighbourhood. They are the ultimate way to supercharge your inbound efforts. And how better to learn to run your very own webinar than in a webinar? Is that weird?
Sounds good.
We have our very own King of Content, Dom, hosting a free webinar this Thursday, the 17th of September at 11 a.m. Australian Eastern Standard Time, where he'll take you through the essential steps of setting up and running an effective, informative webinar the same way we do here at Neighbourhood. In this webinar, you'll learn about what to look for in webinar software, how to run an engaging session, how to support your webinar once it's finished so you stay front of mind. If you want to add webinars to your repertoire, is that repertoire? Repertoire. Isn't that funny?
French.
Is it French?
Yeah,
R-E-P-E-R-T, repertoire. If you want to add webinars to your repertoire of marketing and sales tools, but aren't sure where to get started, then this is the webinar you'll want to join. The link is in the description and it will go for about 45 minutes. Though if you're unsure if you can make it, just throw your details in there and we'll send you a recording after it's done. We've been getting some really great feedback from these webinars, so hopefully you'll be able to take some value away to assist during this COVID period. So I've certainly saved the best for last. Let's talk about all things customer service. This month we've rolled out a brand new strategy that's guaranteed to shine and buff not only the servicing efforts, but every single facet of our agency. Neighbourhood's quarterly continuous improvement Improvement Program, or QSIP for short. We see this as a way to strengthen the quality of our overall service, improve customer satisfaction, efficiency, and most importantly, productivity. Starting up this program is basically an acknowledgement that while our operations will never be perfect, we can always be better than where we were yesterday. Did I say that differently, weirdly? Okay, good. Giving each of us a project to work on over the quarter means we can incrementally improve each part of our agency day on day, including enhancing our marketing strategy, fine-tuning our sales process, honing in on our current retention tactics, and even create more branded documents to enable the sales and speed up the time from contact to collab. If you're interested in breeding continuous improvement into your company culture, let us know and we can collab together. So that's it for another month, guys. We hope that you feel inspired to join us on conducting your very own buyer persona retrospective analysis, test out some new software for SEO optimization and customer insights, and join us for our upcoming webinar, all to see the better results in finding, selling, and keeping your people. If you need any more help with any of these strategies, check out our blog for all the referable content that you could want, or drop us a line for some more best practices and we can work it out together. But for now, that's all from me. Happy marketing, selling, and service. Happy marketing, selling, and servicing.